Hi guys, this is a Bosch Wff1200 washing machine made in Germany. This washing machine is 25 years old. It has cotton cycle, quick cycle, delicate cycle, synthetic cycle, and some other cycles as well. This is a drum for this washing machine. The motor is definitely needs to be replaced because the brushes on it worn out, but to repair this motor it's gonna cost lots and lots of money, I think. This washing machine was fixed already 2 times, and as you can see, this is a lid for this washing machine. There we got 3 slots here. We got slot for detergent, slot for fabric softener, and we also got slot for other things. I'm not really sure what the 3rd slot for, but I know the 2 slots are for the detergent and for the fabric softener, as you can see right here. 1, 2, 3. So this is the washing machine. Also, the spin speed on it is 1,000 revolution per minute. On a quick wash, on a quick cycle, it is 800 RPM, 800 revolution. But yeah, this is a lid. The lid is made so well, but like I said, the motor on it making a grinding noise when spinning. I don't know if you could hear it, but yeah, as you can hear, the motor on it is bad. But hopefully, I don't know how much money they can find to fix this motor, but hopefully the washing machine will get fixed. If not, then I think that maybe my aunt get a new washing machine. And if anybody watches this video from Germany, please suggest me what kind of washing machine she can get, so that way maybe you can help buy it in Germany and deliver it for her if it's possible. But hopefully I upload a wash cycle on it tomorrow, so that way you can see how it operates on the wash cycle. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe and leave comments and tell me what do you think.